Welcome to our training video on swapping serial ports. Today, we'll be focusing on how to change the serial port number without altering the driver. This process is crucial when you need to switch your PLC device to another serial connection. Let's start with the basics. Serial port swapping involves changing the port number, not the driver. For instance, if your current driver is established on COM1, you can easily swap it to another COM port. Here's how it works. Right-click on the COM port device that needs to be swapped. You'll see an option to swap the serial port. By selecting this, you can remap COM1 to COM2, all without changing the corresponding relationship between the device name and address. Now, let's put this into practice. Suppose my current connection is on COM1. I will right-click on COM1, select the option to swap the serial port, and move it down to COM2. Stay tuned for more tutorials on managing your PLC device effectively. Next, we're going to explore the process of replacing the PLC. This is a straightforward task that can be accomplished right from the project window. To start, simply right-click in the project window and select Replace PLC. If you've already added a driver, you can just select the one you need. Now let's dive into a practical example. In my current project window, I have two drivers established. One is a device on COM2, and I've set up two components here, numeric value input to be precise, one for the serial port and another for the network port. To replace the PLC, I'll right-click on the network port and select Replace PLC. I'll then map it to the COM2 device that we've already set up using the Modbus RTU driver. It's important to check if the address type matches. If it doesn't, you'll need to manually modify it. After these steps, the PLC will be replaced with the one we've modified. That's all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more informative videos on managing your PLC device effectively. Thanks for watching.